The frog is another way to pour concrete. In effect, what it gives you is approximately a 10-foot reach. In other words, if you have a foundation wall that's not, you're going to pour a footer and the bank isn't stable, you can keep the machine away from it. The frog is relatively lightweight. It weighs less than 350 pounds complete. It holds, this is an 18-inch inside diameter tube and holds approximately 12 cubic feet of concrete. That's probably about 4 wheelbarrows. And you've seen what this site is like, and this really isn't a real bad site. Try wheelbarrowing concrete on rough ground like this. This can save their back, save your crew, and the next day everybody's going to want to show up to work because you weren't beat up doing a concrete pour. We have an extra long, this is the end that you charge the tube with, and this is the end that you discharge the tube with. We made this extra long to help the operator get a view of what's going on. It's made out of high density plastic. This thing will probably be around with the next ice age. And we also powder coated it to make the frame more durable. We want to make this so it lasts. We added, to get your men to clean it has to be easy. So we added a clean out door where the guy can go in there, spray it out real easy, dump it, clean it right with the hose off from the cement truck. Like you guys know, when you go to do a commercial parking lot, the light poles go in long before the pavement and everything else goes in. And instead of having to work off of a bucket up in the air, the frog can get your pour pretty simple. Well, gentlemen, you just seen the frog in action. But where the frog, we poured probably 30-some piers in a very short time with 3 men. Get rid of your wheelbarrow and that extra cost and put your men working more efficiently. And a frog is one more tool to add to your arsenal with the other tools that you use when you're pouring concrete. The main thing with the frog, it saves time, it saves money, it saves labor, it saves your men's back, and it saves your pocket.